We'll guide you through how to repair a corrupt video file with VLC Media Player. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're in the situation of we've got a corrupt video file and you want to try fixing it. You can actually try doing this with VLC Media Player. Of course, this is a great application you can go and use for free. So make sure it's this full guide so you don't go and miss an important part of it. And without any other further ado, let's go and get started. And hopefully at the end, your video file is going to be working. So press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in VLC Media Player and click on it to go and open it up. As you can see, here it is. So now what we need to do is you need to actually go and have it in a certain format. So it needs to be in the AVI format. So the video I'm going to guide you through this with is actually currently in MP4. Don't worry, we can actually convert it. So what you need to do is go and press media in the top left. You can then come down here and you want to go and press convert/save. Then you'll go and get this pop up and in file, come to the right and press add. Now you need to come down here and select the video and go and press open. Press convert/save in the bottom right. And then you can go and select convert. And at the bottom where it says destination file, press browse to the right. And you can then go and press desktop or wherever you want to save it. Name it what you want. I'll just go and change it to converted at the end. And where it says .mp4, you need to go and change it to .avi. Then where it says save as type, click there and press all and press save. And then you want to go and press start. Wait for it to complete. The longer the video, the longer this will take to go and convert. So just go and be patient. And it's now completed. Now what you can do is in VLC Media Player, what you need to do is come to the top and you need to go and find the option for tools. And in here, you can then go down and find the option for preferences. At the top, you need to come along the row of options and press input/codecs. Now what you need to do is come down to damaged or incomplete AVI file. And you want to go and select always fix and you can press save and you can close this. Now you need to go and find that converted file or the AVI file you've already got. You want to right click on it, hover over open with, and go down and select VLC Media Player. And it will then go and open up with it. Now you can just go and let it play. It'll take a moment or two to go and load the video, I find, and it should then go and fix it. And it should now go and be working and no longer corrupted. So hopefully with this video, you managed to go and solve it.